Hi, I'm Kai Sosceles. I'm here at FAI 2017 and I'm here to teach you the Fishtail to Thumbtrap fishtail. Cool, so today we're gonna learn the Fishtail to Thumbtrap, and the way it looks in pattern is like this, okay? So the main piece of this is working on your fishtails first. I'm not going to go over all the fishtail variations, but you should have fishtails in at least the backward direction, and you should be able to flip this direction on the back of your hand. That's prerequisites, okay? The second piece is the thumb trap, which is all 4 fingers down, and then the thumb cocks to the back, and you place the club in, and then it's trapped between the thumb and the forearm. The thumb is on the tape, the handle is on the forearm, and it acts as a trap, okay? Once you have that, you can play with this a little bit, you can move around with it. Just to get it really strong, make sure your fingers are pointing down and your thumb is pointing back towards you, okay? Move around with it. From there, you move from the thumb trapped position to the back of hand position. It's just a little hop. Okay? Once you're there, you do the exact reverse by pushing back into the thumb trap. From there, it's just swooping it out to the back to the thumb trap, and you move in a figure 8. That's it. All right, that was the fishtail to thumb fishtail. I'm Kai Sosceles here at FAI 2017.